The future doesn't just happen. Like history, it is made. We act with agility because adapting to change faster than the competition is the most important factor of success. We believe in entrepreneurship because the ideas and actions of each and every one of us are the sparks that ignite future growth. We put integrity and respect for one another first, where standards and qualities are concerned. In order to act in the best interests of the company as a whole, we embrace the concept of one STADA. Together, we can write a new chapter. The future is in our hands.